Good afternoon, barefoot running people. This is David Scoggins here. This is a Dave family. Just chilling out here in the mall. Father's Day here. Just had this meal down here. I'm gonna head back up here where everyone is at. So go back up there and we'll see what else happens. Back inside here. See if we can find everybody. Look, there's young Brandon. How are you doing, young Brandon?
What'd you say?
How are you doing, young Brandon?
I'm good. Wait, are you on? Is this a video chat?
No.
Is this Faces of Dave? Yeah. Faces of
Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say it. Don't even say it. What are you playing?
This is fantasy soccer.
So in fantasy,
yeah.
You want to be a soccer player. Now you don't want to be a basketball player. Because typically when you see a guy like yourself, you want to play fantasy basketball.
Kick it, kick it, kick it. Why is it not kicking? I'm not kicking, it's not kicking. What is this?
It's fantasy soccer.
This is some crap.
This is some crap.
Come on, man. Why isn't it kicking for you? These buffalo wings, it's like a ton of sauce. It's like 2% chicken and the rest of it is sauce. It's not terrible, but my goodness, it's so much sauce. No, that's what you said. Horrible. Okay, we're gonna try to play this game here.
think we will hit that one.
You better arm yourself. Now then, on with the show.
Why are you making us do this? I want to go home!
Cold wind blowing behind me.
They're breaking down the door! Hurry! Leave the door to me! Door behind us, go!
Thing's got armor. Okay, I can't take it anymore. Okay, I got to go.
Faces of David. Here goes Faces of David. He's getting ready, emptying his pockets, getting the ball nice and lined up in his fingers. It's to his chin. He walks forward ever so slightly. He goes back. He goes forward. Let's see where it goes. It's rolling. It's spinning. It's in the gutter!
Grandpa calling, Faces of Dave.
Faces of crap. Here we go.
Okay, let's go.
Get it lathered up. He walks like this.
And strong! None of the pins. Gutter, gutter!
The results have come in. You lose.
So look at this. Watch. Watch her. Watch her. So this is her score right up here.
Did we put all the grass in there?
Let's see.
No!
at me. I have 20. So my daughter is beating me. She has 44 and I have 20.
Wow.
I don't really get it. Why am I doing this?
Because why? Get out of here.
I like to go to Shakey's. What? I don't know what she's talking about.
She wants to go to Shakey's.
Mom, we coming down here?
I think you heard the song. You got her.
That's right. Mommy, I'm not sure that is the real sound because I don't think that. I don't know what I'm gonna do for me, but I'm gonna do it. I can do it, but I don't know what I wanna do.
Go. Keep going.
Room down, room back, to the right, go sing it. I love to eat chicken all night. The chicken is not a little tight. But I don't know what I'm talking about, but I love to rap all night. I love to go in the refrigerator at night, but you don't know that I burn in the price.
Are you done?
Yep. All right.
We're going to the same place.
Oh my God! Oh!
Same place.
You're the best man I ever know. There's no way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. No, there is no way. I'm not living without you. Not living without you. I don't want to be free. And you gonna love me. You gonna love me. Love me. You love me. Yes. You gonna love me. Me. You gonna love me?
Okay, that's it. Think it's time to go home. Thanks for coming along. Have a great Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Faces of Dave family. I am out of here to go home and take a nap.